Hi everyone. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about transitioning to the simplified pages in Oracle Sales Cloud. Now along the way, I'll answer these questions. What do you mean by the simplified pages? Why are you asking us to transition to them? When do we need to do that? And how do we do that? First of all, what exactly do we mean when we talk about the simplified pages? Well, Oracle Sales Cloud began with a user interface consisting of pages that looked fairly dense and traditional, with no real guided task flow. They're the original desktop or classic pages. But with Release 7, we started duplicating functionality on pages that were streamlined and modern, which we call the simplified pages. And you can see here that we continued to duplicate more and more functionality on the simplified pages with each release until today with Release 10, all the most common, widely used functionality or features have been added to simplified pages. So as a result, we want you to phase out those duplicate desktop pages and start using the corresponding simplified pages if you haven't done that already. So that means use the simplified pages for all the areas listed here: account, contact, and household, activity, opportunity, lead, and forecasting for partners and sales campaigns, for the sales dashboards, reports, and analytics. All the other pages, which might be admin pages or pages for less widely used features, we don't have duplication of the features on the simplified pages. They really remain the same. So there's really nothing for you to do with regards to those pages. And I'm talking about such pages as the setup and maintenance pages, the territory setup pages, application composer, competitor setup, contracts, and so on. So that's what we're talking about. But the next question is, why are we asking you to do this? Again, most functionality has been duplicated on simplified pages, and the simplified pages really have proven to be a superior user experience, resulting in higher user adoption. But also, those desktop pages that have the same functionality as are now on the simplified pages will soon no longer be available. And new capabilities are only available on simplified pages. We won't be adding new features to those desktop or classic pages. So now is the time to align with the ongoing product trajectory that started several releases ago. And to do that, you'll need to develop a time frame to switch to the simplified pages. So if your upgrade to Release 11 is still several months away, consider switching to simplified pages now before your upgrade to Release 11. But be sure to allow yourself time to keep your non-production and production environments in sync before your upgrade. Now, if your upgrade is in a month or two, please wait till your upgrade to Release 11 is stable, and then use the first months after the upgrade to transition to the simplified pages. We've developed a checklist to help you through all the steps involved in this transition to the simplified pages, and you can find that and other resources about simplified pages on the My Oracle Support article listed here. That's called Simplified Pages FAQ, Transitioning to Simplified Pages. And I've listed the basic steps here, but the checklist will provide more details for this whole process. But you'll need to understand the standard functionality available with simplified pages. You'll want to review the customizations you made to desktop pages and replicate the customizations on the simplified pages if necessary. Add your custom reports to simplified pages, and of course communicate with your users beforehand about the upcoming page changes. Move your changes to your production environment, and then hide the desktop pages, and that's done by setting a profile option. We hope that this presentation and the resources we provided will help you through the process to transition to simplified pages. But if you do have questions, please contact your Oracle representative, such as your Customer Success Manager or your Implementation Success Manager. Thank you so much.